Hello, Namaste. I'm Saudamini. I'm studying in 7th standard. I'm 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about Technique 1 typical individual letters, about letter C in cursive and non-cursive handwriting, and in small letters and capital letters. But before going to the today's class about C, we are going to discuss about last class letter B. In typical individual letters, letter B. How to write letter B? Letter B must be starting point from upper zone. We should write always letter B from upwards to downwards in capital letters and cursive, capital letter and non-cursive, small letter and capital letter. Always we should write B from upwards to downwards only. We should never write the letter B from downwards to upwards. Okay, this is about last class. Today now we are going to discuss about letter C in typical individual letters, technique 1. How to write letter C in cursive letters, in small letters. Okay, coming to letter C. C is such easy and quick letter which comes first in the easy letters category. But it is easy, but the writing and seeing the C is easy. But we should write it in correct method and correct shape, correct method. Then only we will not get, by C we will get some sensitiveness. So we can avoid the sensitiveness by writing C in the correct method. Okay. To avoid sensitiveness or hypertension, you should write the C in correct method. Okay. C. Please observe very carefully. C. Starting point in cursive letter must be, the head must be from baseline to some sort of, we should give some sort of curve in the forward slant line, like this, curve something like this. And again we should come from here backwards, come from the bend where we bended the end point backwards, and again we should give here a oval shaped semicircle curve, and we should extend it somewhat, upper line to downer line. We should extend somewhat. Okay, this is small c in cursive handwriting. Always we should write C also from upwards to downwards. Never we should write from downwards to upwards. By writing downwards to upwards, you will be more sensitive and hypertension. Sometimes you will get the problems and diseases like asthma and breathlessness. Okay, if you follow this, you will decrease the diseases like asthma and breathlessness. Okay. Now writing next letter C in cursive capital letters. The starting line must be at the upper zone. From the upper zone, like this, and coming to here semicircle, and like this. Okay, this is capital C in cursive handwriting. Okay, this is capital C in cursive handwriting. But some members will think very artistically, and if you are decorating any greeting cards, you want to write very artistically. So how to write artistically? I am saying, who are artists and who are like to see artistically and to write C artistically, please you observe this writing C. Okay, now we should write this from here. You should give one like this, give a small oval shaped, half oval shaped structure here from this small oval shaped structure, and coming to down to the baseline, and coming to down to baseline, and from here you can take the B and you can take the C like this. This is very artisticful and it will be useful in greeting cards or to give your teachers or friends, anybody, to your parents. Any writing greeting cards matter. Like this, you can use like this letters artistically like this C. But in B, we can't do it artistically. Like in handwriting, coming to ఇప్పుడు దీనివల్ల మనకి ఇట్లా ఆర్టిస్టిక్గా రాయటం వల్ల అప్వర్డ్స్ నుంచి డౌన్వర్డ్స్కి మనకి ఎట్లాంటి ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉండదు, అంటే ఆస్మా అట్లాంటి ఎట్లాంటి ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉండవు ఇట్లా రాయటం. కానీ బి మనకి ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఆర్టిస్టిక్ఫుల్గా రాస్తే దానివల్ల మనకి నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్ అనేవి పెరుగుతాయి అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి మనం ఆ నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్ పెరగకూడదంటే మనం బి యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎట్లా ఉందో అట్లాగే, మీకు కావాలంటే నాన్ కర్సివ్లో కర్సివ్లో ఎట్లా ఉందంటే అట్లాగే రాసుకోవాలి. ఇంకా ఆర్టిస్టిక్గా చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే మీకు నెగిటివ్ థాట్స్ అనేవి పెరుగుతాయి. కాబట్టి సి మాత్రం మీరు ఆర్టిస్టిక్గా చేయొచ్చు, వేరాస్ ఇన్ cursive letters. But in non-cursive, you cannot write it artistically. Okay. In non-cursive, we are going to see small letter C. Right. Starting line must be from upper part. In middle part, upper line and coming semicircle. మనకి నాన్ కర్సివ్లో ఏంటంటే అది పర్ఫెక్ట్ సర్కిల్ రావాలి. కొంతమంది ఏంటంటే సమ్ పీపుల్ రైట్ సి యాజ్ లైక్ దిస్ స్క్వేర్ షేప్ and rectangle. Some members will write a rectangle like this, and these all shapes are wrong methods. By this you will increase diseases, by this you can decrease your diseases. Okay, this is the right method of writing C in non-cursive, from upwards to downwards only, no downwards to upwards. Who are writing from downwards to upwards, immediately stop from today onwards. If you are not able to stop, daily write sometimes in your book. Suppose daily 10 times, 15 times you practice all the letters what I said in previous classes and further classes. You see classes and carefully, and you practice these letters very much daily, minimum one letter 20 times. In 4 methods, if you are artistic, you can practice artistic also. You should write very nicely, and you should read very nicely. If you are writing anything letter, our నియర్ మన పక్కన ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా మనల్ని మెచ్చుకోవాలి ఎంత బాగా రాసావు అని. వీ షుడ్ రైట్ లైక్ దట్. మన ఇద్దరు వాళ్ళు పొగిడేలాగా రాయాలి. అట్లా రాయడానికి మీరు రోజు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ గెట్ సచ్ వండర్ఫుల్ రైటింగ్. Okay, now writing non-cursive letter C. See carefully. We are starting from the upper line and coming semicircle, round, half circle, and ending on the base line somewhat up. Okay, same as non-cursive, but it's a capital letter. We should write it big. In any letter we should know the difference of caps and small letters, capital letters and small letters. Some people write capitals also smallly, then we will not know that if you are writing capital letters smallly, you should write small letters more than half of the capital letter. Always you should remember one point is, మీరు ఏదైతే క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ రాస్తారో స్మాల్ లెటర్ దాంట్లో హాఫ్ పార్ట్ దాకా ఉండాలి, మినిమం హాఫ్ ఉండాలి. హాఫ్కి మించి వస్తే అది మీకు క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ లాగానే కనబడుతుంది. కాబట్టి హాఫ్కి ఉండాలి, హాఫ్ ఉండొచ్చు, హాఫ్ కన్నా కింద ఉండొచ్చు. మీకు డిసీజెస్ క్యూర్ అవ్వాలంటే మాత్రం కరెక్ట్గా హాఫ్లోకి రాస్తే మీకు బాగుంటుంది. అలా మీకు రావట్లేదంటే ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇన్ ఏ సింగిల్ రూల్డ్ బుక్ డైలీ 10 to 15 times in a single ruled book, and if you practice you will get C very nicely and artistically, and you can impress anybody with this C. The C is having so much specialty that you can impress anybody by writing artistically. The C can assume that power of writing artistically more than all letters. Okay, today okay, this is our class about today. We discussed about technique 1, capital C, small c in cursive and non-cursive letters. In next class we are going to discuss about next class we are going to discuss about capital letter D, small letter d and cursive and non-cursive in typical and non-typical, in typical and individual letters in Technique 1. In Technique 1. To see my further classes and lessons, please subscribe us and follow us. Thank you.